When I first seen this makeup brush washing machine trending all over the internet, I was excited. So I ran out to Five Below to go get it. It's several Five Belows in the city that I'm in, so I went to a couple of them looking for this washing machine before I finally gave up. I even asked one of the store associates and she was confused. She did not know what I was talking about when I asked her, did they have this washing machine? Fast forward several months later, I found this washing machine in a whole nother state and I bought it and I saved it until I returned back home months later. And here it is, several more months after that, in January 2023, I'm finally opening up this washing machine. So here I am unscrewing the battery compartment because you need to insert 2 AAA batteries in order for this little gadget to work. And no, I was not about to go out to the store and buy no batteries. I wasn't about to look in my home and see if I had any batteries. I just took the batteries right out of my Fire Stick because I knew that they were there. Why not use them for a quick couple of minutes just to try out this little washing machine? This little screw was short and tricky, and it took me longer than I expected to be able to screw it back in, but I finally got it. According to the directions, you need to add 1/3 cups of warm water and soap to the washing machine, and then you can go ahead and place your beauty blender, beauty sponge, whatever, into the washing machine. So that's what I did. I added a few drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid to the water. I placed my beauty blender inside of the washing machine, closed the lid, pressed the power button, and to my surprise, I wasn't surprised at all. I really expected it to be like an actual washing machine, like spin, blend, do all that type of good stuff that a washing machine was supposed to do. Only thing this one was doing was spinning the water, not my beauty blender. But as you can see, the color of the water is no longer clear. So I'm like, okay, that's a sign that my beauty blender is getting clean. But it was just childish. I don't know why I had such high expectations for this product. I wanted to like this washing machine so bad that I dumped out the water and refilled it to do a round 2. Because I really wanted to give a good review on it, but yeah, my beauty blender got partially clean, but would I recommend spending $5 on this washing machine? Absolutely not. Do not go to Five Below and waste your $5 on this. Get you something else. You will find something else in Five Below for $5. Get that. If you never got the opportunity to get this trending product when it was in the stores, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It wasn't worth it at all. This washing machine was whack, and I'm mad that I wanted it so bad.